Oh, look at that big swirl behind that outside board. One behind that one too. Get ready. Turn. No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Get ready. Put that board. Put that back, because there's one chasing your other one. Put it back. One chasing the center one. See the bait on top of the water? Get ready. See? Get ready. He's trying to get away. Get ready. Jerk it. Jerk it. Jerk it. He come loose?
Yeah.
No, he didn't. Keep reeling. Don't pull on him hard now. Just keep tension on him.
I think he got hurt.
That's all right. I'm gonna turn him up this way.
That's gonna get the other.
I'm trying to put him behind the boat again. That's what I'm trying to do. You hang on to him, boy.
Shoot.
Huh?
It's like shoot.
I can hear the drags just screaming from up here. Just keep some tension on him. Go under that rod. Go under that rod. Yep. Hang on to it. Huh? Alright, we finally got him in. Hold him out there, Andrew. Let's take a look at him. Yeah, that's a pretty good one. Let's see. We had one grab our outside rod. Keep it cranking, boy. Keep him off that bank. Yeah, he just little. Yeah, he just little, Andrew said. Keep it real on him, boy.
Something wrong with this.
Well, we'll fix it. Just catch that fish. Alright, I'm gonna help him there. Alright, we had two on at one time. I done threw the one back. He was about 10 pounds, so keep cranking him, boy. Let's see. Go under that rod, let's see. No, stay on top of it. Just let him keep going that way before you try to pull on him too hard. Is he attacking? Line still yet?
Yeah.
Huh? Keep going.
Hey.
What?
Got another one.
Where?
Right there. That thing.
Uh-oh. Guys, I gotta turn this loose for a second. I'll be back at you. What do you think about it, Andrew? Huh? Ooh, that might have been it right there. Nope. Oh, get ready. He'd have to be decent size to eat that.
I know. I saw it look pretty good.
Andrew, you ought to get up there and get ready to man them other boards right there. This is a killer point right here. Andrew, you watching? Andrew, you watching? Don't reel your board up all the way to your rod. That's what he is. Hang on a second, I'll help you. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off. Okay, that's after getting it in. Who the Mac Daddy? Alright. Ooh.
Man, he's drying.
Oh. I don't know if you can see that bait. Get ready.
Goes.
No.
Wait.
Yeah, jerk it. Oh. Nah, he probably got that bait. Man, that was quick.
That was quick.
He finally got it. I missed it. So he's not very big. Alright, I'll turn him off. You get ready, Andrew. Alright, man. That was 2 more fish. Right there. Andrew, what do they call you now? You heard that, didn't you, Skip? What do you call you? Huh? Yeah, that's right, Skip. That's Mac Daddy Jr. sitting over there. Son of Mac Daddy.